Welcome to Velocity from Compuware side of the house. I'm from dynaTrace, and I want to welcome you with, hey, you are awesome. Because you care about performance, and you do a great job, and actually the downside is your customers sometimes doesn't really appreciate your work, and it seems that you, although you did a really great job in testing and optimizing your stuff, there are some issues left, and they use Twitter and Facebook to announce it. Your marketing sees this tweet, comes back to you and says, hey, look at your monitoring solution, is there any problem? And you take this look and yeah, actually everything is green from your perspective. Even the real user monitoring says, hey, you just have customers that are satisfied out there, and what's next, what to look at, what is the problem actually. So you start thinking about it, and yeah, let's take a step back and let's look into the waterfall. The waterfall chart reveals, hey, we did really great optimization. We are delivering almost 100% of our content via CDN. And yeah, there is a little bit of other stuff on the web page that's just third-party content. So thinking back, yeah, we have real user monitoring in place that relies on W3C timings. W3C timings, the resource timing spec, is really nice and brings us visibility into these third-party content providers. There's a little downside. W3C resource timings are brand new and only Chrome supports it and IE10 supports it. So there are a couple of millions of installs out there that run on Safari or Firefox or an older IE version. How can we get information from those guys? That was the challenge that customers brought up. And what we did is we've created a JavaScript library, a polyfill JavaScript library that brought us the resource timings to all these users that had no W3C timing spec in place in their browser. So next step was take this JavaScript library, prove it. Go to the customer and test it out, and yeah, we got a little bit of a correlation of how much our content is worth versus how much content is delivered from third-party domains. And yeah, we found immediately things like that. A response time of 25 seconds caused by just some image download. Hey, one moment. We're delivering our images via our CDN. And whatever we do in our data center, that won't change the user experience at all because we are delivering in 200 milliseconds our HTML already. Yeah, by the way, it's a problem related to Internet Explorer 7 in this case. Yeah, but not enough with that. It's like, hey, 142 different domains. That's what we found there. Why 142 domains? And especially, why such domains? And there was a little bit of discussion between the operation guys and the development guys going on, trying to figure out where this domain is coming from. Yeah, the operations guys found then as well a Skype.com domain there, and then it was clear. You have the browser plugins that transform your HTML content, that put in images, change the CSS, just to have things like that, speed dial. I don't know what the adult industry is doing there, but yeah, that's surprising. Was really surprising for our customers. And yeah, as I just have 5 minutes, if you want to talk about this a little bit more with me, it's I have office hours starting 10:45 today, and you can visit me at our booth, booth 203. My colleagues and I are blog posting on apmblog.com, compuware.com, and I'll leave you with look at your waterfall and look at your monitoring solution, and are you really monitoring the right piece of your system? Thanks.